Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you that how to generate a PDF document inside your browser using PDFKit library. So basically if I hit this button, I will be generating a PDF document in vanilla JavaScript. You can see that hello world is there. So we are using PDFKit library first of all, and second of all we are using Browserify because as you know that PDFKit is a Node.js module, so you cannot directly use it inside your JavaScript application in browser. So we are using this Browserify module packer, which is an open source JavaScript library. So we will be using this library. So first of all, inside your command prompt, open a new folder and execute this command npm init-y. So this will create the package.json file. And now you just need to install two dependencies. First of all, PDFKit, and second of all blob dash stream. After installing these two dependencies, we also need to install Browserify. So you can just write this command npm install -g and then write Browserify. So basically it will install globally inside your system Browserify library, and also one other dependency which will be npm install -g watchify. So basically it will watch for any kind of changes that you make to your JavaScript file, and it will automatically compile your file. So these are the dependencies, and now I will show you that how to create this application from scratch. So let me just delete all the code and also delete all the files. So after executing those commands, you will see these three files, node modules. So in this folder all your node modules are stored. And next you will see the package.json file. Inside the dependencies section you will see blob stream and PDFKit. And now we just need to have our index.html file ready. Inside this we will have a button, which we will be giving a ID of a button. And the label will be simply download PDF. And then we will be having an anchor tag. I will give you an ID to it of PDF like this, and the text will be link. And we will be changing the style to display none. And after this we will create our index.js file, and inside this file we first of all need to import our PDFKit dependency. So we will require it first of all, and also we will require the blob stream library, require it, and after this we will be making our PDF document, new PDF document by new PDFKit, and then we can just add some text to it of hello world, and the x and the y coordinate 25, 25. And then we just need to make a simple blob stream. So const stream is equal to pdfkit dot, there is a function out there inside pdfkit, oh sorry, doc, and there is a function which is there inside this pdfkit, which is, let me just see in the documentation. Yes, pipe function is there. So pipe, we will use this function and pass this blob stream constructor like this. And now we just need to end our document as well. So we will call this method doc.end. So this completes the PDF document. And now we can just have stream on. So when it finishes, this stream is finishes, we will be executing a callback function like this. And now we will be taking the URL blob URL. So we can just use our function which is there inside doc.blob. Sorry, there is a function out there, let me just see. This is there inside the blob stream to, sorry, this is there inside this stream object. stream to blob URL. So basically it will generate this URL. Here you just need to provide the mem type, which is application/PDF for PDF documents. Now we just need to get our anchor element, so we can just write here const element document.get element by id, and we can just pass the id that we have given, and then we can just write element.set attribute href to the URL. That's it. And also we just need to change the display property style.display block like this. And now the application is complete. We have written the index.js. Now we can't directly include this index.js inside this. We need to compile it. So in order to compile this, we can just use Browserify. Then we can just give our input file, which is index.js -o for output, and then we can just give the output file, which is bundle.js. So it will create this file bundle.js inside this directory, so in a matter of seconds. So just wait. You can see that it has created this file. So this is a garbage code. You don't want to worry about it. You just need to include it inside the index.html document. So this is a very advantage of using Browserify. So all the code is compiled into a single file. You just need to upload it inside your website or server like this. So now basically if I refresh it, application, if I go to localhost 5500, I will see this here like this, download PDF. If I click this link, I will be redirected to hello world like this. You can see that. But why it is showing I have given a style property to it of display none, and again if I refresh it, localhost 5500, but it is showing here, so don't matter here. So now we are successfully displaying the PDF document using PDFKit. So basically, if you want to make any kind of changes to this, let's suppose you change some JavaScript code inside it, you add a alert statement. Now if you refresh the application, you will not see this change, because you have to rerun this command once again like this. So in this case we can use Watchify. Instead of repeating these commands, we can use Watchify library that we have installed. So we can just write here Watchify and then give the input file -o and then the output file bundle.js, and then we can attach a flag which is -v. So this tells automatically compile the application when make changes. So it will now watch for the changes. So it will take some time. So you can see that now it is automatically compile your application, auto reload your application. So if I make some other change like this, now you will see that. So now we can just make this application a little more interactive or dynamic. So here I can just add some input field. Let's suppose I add a input type of text, and I will pass the ID of text also. So now I can target the button also. First of all, take the button. So document.get element by ID and pass the ID of button. So we can just wrap this inside a event listener, button.add event listener. So when you click the button, a callback function will execute, and inside this We can just wrap this inside PDF document function, and here we can just take the input var text document.getElement by id, and then we can just take the value like this and pass the value to this function, which is PDF document. And then we can replace the static value with the dynamic value like this. So now basically if you refresh the application, if you write anything here, hi, if I click download PDF, you will see, if I open this, you will see the hi is printed out. So this is a little more interactive application right here. If I change this to, and now we have a working application with which it can create dynamic PDF of text. So thanks very much for watching this video. If you like this video, then please hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and I will be seeing you in the next video.